Oh look, another broken BMW. What have you done, Drew?
Broken the clutch.
Drew has unfortunately broken his clutch somehow. We don't know what's wrong with it, but we've got a ramp now, so
We're gonna fix it.
we're going. Well, we'll try fix it.
We're gonna fix it.
I'm gonna try fix it. Standard. See if it's still broken. Yeah. Oh, it does move a little bit. That was a really good clutch you got there, man. I have to say, man, like, even though your car's beat, like, it's actually really hard.
Skid car.
It is a skid car. Not that many skids in it though. It's been broken. It's been broken and building it. Now, pre-facelift are the one though. I'm telling ya. Chief Weasel, you ready to do some pushing? The day I don't have to push a BMW is the day I can die a happy man.
It's a new one, that.
Creaky floorboard. God damn it. Yo, what?
Fixed it!
That's it, that's it, that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching, subscribe, yeah.
Front.
Give us a quick rundown. What's going on down here? There's some white stuff that usually isn't white. What have you done to this motor so far?
Alex Running wrote it off with him.
I like how you named and shamed him. Yeah, basically his drunk mate smashed the curb and everything under here, so he's had to rebuild everything.
Yeah, so I mean, I've got some plates up there just for the subframe.
Reinforce the chassis, yeah.
It's been polybushed the whole way round.
Some camber arms.
Yeah.
That's a money box right there, mate.
I was thinking of just selling it straight.
Just leave it here overnight. That'll be gone, mate. That'll be paying for next month's rent.
Yeah.
Standard.
Your little stick.
Yo, what's this, man? Is this your drift sensor? Come on. You're 9'4", mate. You're meant to be a big man.
Oh, you're a big man.
What have you just taken off there?
Your widgery stick. It's broken. Okay, right. Take the prop out.
Yeah.
This can bobby like this old gear stick.
Yeah.
Put the knob off.
Yeah.
We take off what we can take off, then we remove this bit down here, get a big prodder.
Prod.
And then remove the top ones. Should only take about 20 minutes, really.
I don't believe.
10 hours later.
Alright, now you can just cut to it being off next.
Oh man, you did that so quickly.
Wow. So smooth.
And what's that for?
That's the clutch switch, then the car knows whether the clutch is down.
Hello, mate. Oh!
Hey! Is that how you figure out how it's broken?
What's his name?
£10 if you shove it right up there now. Alright, for some reason it smells like gearbox oil, so we're gonna split this open and it's gonna come.
I think it would already be gushing out of here if there was any residue. Right, it does smell funky, so.
We spent so much money on the workshop. We've not got enough left for tools. Enough left for tools or cars. Yeah, man, that's so safe, man. Come on.
Not even a fucking razor, bro. Gonna hold up the gearbox just in case.
Got me knob here, mate.
I feel quite actually like I'm disappointed.
Yo,
I feel like I'm
yo, where are you at? You pole dancing right now.
I was about to say I feel like we're disappointing everyone because this is not eventful at all. But we just see Andrew on the strip pole, so now we've got to go around the bellows and get the rest of these Jimmy Nuggets off.
What does the Jimmy Nugget look like? Can you point out?
This one, he's gone. We've lost the Jimmy Nugget.
There's a Jimmy
here.
Nugget up there, but you can't see
No,
it.
you can't see it, mate.
Deep into the
I
abyss.
can't even remember.
Ooh, I got a present for you.
Yes.
Look at this for a present.
This might work.
Show them off my length, mate. It's a pretty big extension, isn't it?
Damn, that's pretty damn saucy. Done.
Whoa, that's the 7 foot, man. Uh-oh.
One of the bolts has never been done up.
Oh, really? Let me come have a look. That has never been done up.
We haven't touched that.
Uh-oh. It's just been placed, so it looks... I'm surprised. Have you literally just yanked that out then? One bang.
It fell out, I didn't even yank it. Down on the floor. Hey!
That's actually quite heavy.
Is it busted? Yeah, that looks cooked, man. Jesus. Aha!
The old Smith clutch.
The old Smith clutch, the old eBay jobby.
They don't know this.
Right, we got some stuff. We got some plastic stuff. We got some metal stuff. What's cracking?
This one sounds like this. This one sounds like this.
Whoa! There you go.
There's one piece, you got ring gear on here for your start motor and your crank sensor.
Holy it moves.
This is not good for skids, dude. So this is nice. You don't have any adjustment here. On these BMW ones, you've got.
Yeah, this is the old one.
Yeah, it's pretty flat at some of these. Like that's flat there.
Hmm.
But also the surface. You
Yeah,
can
yeah, we were
see
seeing.
how mashed that is.
That
already,
is.
But like, you run your hands over that. That's a few millimeters of deviation, sir.
Hmm.
Not acceptable. This one's pretty. It's shiny as well. Look. New throw-out bearing. This thing spins.
And done.
To the darkness, baby.
How many nums?
25 nums. I took my teeth out.
Cool. Are you professional?
Manchester United.
Alright. Are you going to do some skids then?
Pickles here.
Mr. Pickle, let me see your hat.
This is Mr. Pickles.
Pickle Rick.
Is it fixed?
It's fixed.
But you had a problem bleeding it, did you not?
Oh yeah.
Or Jamie did, really.
Hey.
Yeah. Look at you with your kit off. Hey?
Sometimes.
More just learning.
Yeah, a bit of learning.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to bed your clutch in then, like really stupidly. Alright, what's first up then? Little donut? You got a little donut around me? Like there, rip it off. Oh my god. This man's trying to kill me. Literally just needs to be on full throttle the whole way and just be on full lock and it'll just donut, dude.
Just hold it out.
Yeah, just be on full throttle. So rev the f out of it now, clutch kick it and just keep it full lock and just... That's better, keep going, keep going. That's better. Jeez! Way better.